Do you desire to improve patient experience with technology? PDI can help. We're proud to introduce the new medTV16 healthcare-grade patient television that's easy to maintain and easy to use. The only complete system for a 15-inch class low-voltage patient television. UL listed and built by PDI for patient safety and infection control. Built with a modern, sleek profile, the medTV16 has a 15.6-inch healthcare-grade Full HD TV display. It includes Pro Idiom and MPEG-4 to deliver more HD channel programming to your patients.
At PDI, we design for the future. Our new innovative 16-inch healthcare TV is designed to be powered over Ethernet, an industry first. And do you realize a 16-inch personal display is equal to a 90-inch wall TV experience?
The direct entry keypad is easy to use by patients or senior living residents with slower reaction times. Simply channel up and down, change the volume, or use the direct entry buttons to go to your favorite stations, or order the optional pillow speaker cable. Enjoy a personal, quiet experience with the forward-facing speakers and easily accessible front headphone jack. As a seamless component of the PDI arm-mounted system, the medTV16 is designed to weigh only 7 pounds. That means it's a backward-compatible replacement for the older model P14W televisions and the Persona P10.
This means our current customers can save money and leverage their existing investment in PDI arms, arm mounts, and power supplies. Speaking of mounts, at PDI, we do what it takes to improve your experience, offering 9 ways to mount personal bedside TV systems to fit every healthcare setting. As the manufacturer, you can trust that PDI has the knowledge to help solve your problems.
PDI is focused only on healthcare, not consumer TVs. With nearly 1 million sets sold since 1980, we are proud to be an industry leader.
And we deliver short lead times because our TVs are assembled in the USA from domestic and international components.
The medTV16 is built with the same familiar setup screens and works with the same PDI programming remote. Cloning is also a breeze using a USB
or the RF Hemi head-end server, saving time and labor.
Like other PDI devices, the new medTV16 can be powered over coax using individual or centralized 10-tap low-voltage power supplies built by PDI. It's also compatible with our DirecTV or satellite mini mods. PDI designs more than just great televisions. We create, install, and service complete TV systems to make your work easier. We'll be there for you.